So this is one of those trips that just came together perfectly because everybody was ready to get out. We really hadn't been doing very many adventures lately, and everybody was craving some camping, a little bit of time in the desert, and getting to see some new places. So this ended up being the perfect remedy for that. So if you're looking for a road that has incredible views, this is going to be it. It's fairly steep, but it's bladed nice, and you basically follow right along this ridge that overlooks Highway 6. So it's pretty sweet. Let me show you. Pulled over down here in the wash to hang out, and we got a little bit of damage. What happened? The bolt came out? Oh, dang. Did the nut just come off?
Yeah, that came off, then it bent the bolt.
Oh, out of the, so it can't put it back in?
Yeah, I can't put it back in, so I'll just have to take it off. That's what I'm looking for. Get that right side.
Good thing you're here, maybe.
So I can spot the problems.
Yeah. Somebody's got to do it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Look how nice it is down here.
So nice.
This whole entire trip, we've really only came across 2 other side-by-sides that went down ahead of us. There was one that went past, but we never actually seen him. We just heard him go past when you're kind of up top, but it's nice actually being able to get out and not fighting crowds of people to go have fun. So not bad, not bad. Let's see what Rick can do with this little thing right here. So we're almost to where we're gonna camp for the night. I'm hoping that those side-by-sides that... Guys, I'm flexing. I'm flexed out so bad. Let's see if I can show you this. I was gonna say that hopefully the side-by-sides aren't in the spot that I'm trying to camp, but we'll see. Whoo! She's stuffed. Yeah, that's pretty much max flex, I think. Hell yeah. Get the extra in here and see what it can do. Trying to get me wet? Almost.
No, I wasn't, but sorry.
I like your dog. Hey, Lynn.
My dog likes you best.
It's like we're in a completely different environment down here now. Down in the trees, got the river flowing around. I'm wondering if this is the deep spot that they were talking about. Those guys in the side-by-side said they had to winch through one of these. But we'll see how it goes. Yeah, it's fairly deep. Dude, that was sick. I was telling Colton, but your back tire came up so far.
Did it?
Yeah.
I felt it lift, but no.
The cool thing about the end of this trail is that you crisscross back and forth over the river. I think a total of 7 times. So it just makes it way more exciting than driving in the dust and the dirt. Dang, I missed it again, but that's, I'm sure, the one that they were talking about. That one's kind of deep on the other side.
Deep.
Here, you want to film?
Yep.
Look how much higher it was.
Yeah. Oh, she's deep. Got her.
This is it, guys. Camp for tonight. We're finally here. Just pulling in, gonna get the Jeep set up. I think Rick and Colton have a tent, I think. And then yeah, probably build a fire, throw some burgers on, chill right here by the stream, and hopefully the gnats aren't too bad. But we might have to go back and get some firewood because there's not as much here as I was hoping. But there's some just like right back there, so. Yeah, not bad. It's pretty cool with the water flowing down here. It just kind of makes the trail a little more interesting than just being all dried out. But we do have one concern, and that's that you see right here, the water level is significantly dropped from where, and it was up higher not very long ago. So we're kind of hoping that tomorrow morning the runoff from today won't raise the river when we go to leave. But if it does, we might end up having to hang out here a little bit till it goes down. So we'll assess that in the morning. for now. Let's get camp set up and yeah. How you feeling?
Good.
Pretty nice spot, huh?
Yeah, this is awesome. It's beautiful.
Way beautiful. So this is my newest camping purchase. Grabbed this little cast iron grill to put over the fire, and then I brought a skillet, a cast iron skillet. So I'm gonna throw that on there, and then we'll throw the burgers in there and cook them over the fire. Real natural, I guess. But kind of excited to try that out. I didn't bring the air mattress this time. I just brought my hiking pad, so it's in that box. I'll get that laid out in here. Just in time for the sun to go down, my mom got her solar panels set up. Charged this little Jackery. Now, this thing is actually pretty cool. So I bought it originally and then decided that I wanted to buy a little bit bigger one for trips like this. I still have not bought a little bigger one, but ended up giving it to my mom for Christmas. And it's actually super handy because if you do filming and stuff like that, like flying the drone back and forth today, I used 3 batteries, and so I have a little inverter that I bring with me, and that'll work for a little bit, but I don't get all, I can charge about 1.5 of my batteries on it. But if you were to get this Jackery, now this is the smallest one they make, you can hook your solar panel up to it. And I was thinking maybe I'll throw a solar panel on the top of the 4Runner, and then I can get one of these, get the bigger one. And then that way when we go on these longer trips and I'm filming a lot, I can have my inverter, but then also be charging during the day. So let me know what you guys think about that. I know some of these guys that do a lot of overland stuff, they always have those power kits, but I don't know, I've barely dabbled my foot in that world. So pretty excited though. We got a trip coming up in the end of July. We've got our family, Tanisha's family, and then just some friends, and we're gonna go out to Colorado again. A few years ago we went out to what was that town, the one that's by Black Bear Pass, the town by Black Bear Pass, what was that called? She doesn't know what I'm talking about, but anyways, we're gonna go over there again and explore some of those mountain trails, so pretty excited about that. I just want to do a couple more things to the 4Runner to get it a little more overland ready, you know, level up my overland status, because right now I'm probably a level 1 overlander. Really don't have very much. I think my mom's probably, what do you think you are, level 2 or 3 overlander?
I definitely say a 2 at least.
Yeah.
But I don't have any shiznit strapped on this time. I threw it all inside, so that takes me down.
Yeah, so you might be a level 2 because you do have a roof rack.
Yeah.
And stuff like that, but you don't have any mat tracks up there, so
that takes you down. That's what I'm saying. I didn't strap anything up there this time, so that really just takes my rating down pretty hard.
Yeah.
Dude, I thought you were gonna put the paper down, and so you wouldn't know until it's like...
Till it's cooked. Yeah, that would have been embarrassing. I like how you guys just laugh at me on the side, but don't say anything.
Yeah, I have one. That's Leah. Mine's still a little bit crazy, so I'm crossing it on the side a little bit.
Oh, see. There's just something that seems so cool about cooking over the fire. It's just quiet and you're pretty alone.
I like that. It tastes like cheese.
How's the burger? Good. Nice little fire grilled burger. Might have been a little overdone, but it's all right. So the night was starting to wind down until I decided to break out bocce ball. Now, if you've ever played that, you'll know that it can be kind of addicting if you have the right people. And that's exactly what happened tonight. We got out there and kind of got into it, and I bet we played for close to 3 hours because it was after 12:30 by the time we decided to turn in for the night. But it was a good time. Got a little game of bocce ball going on.
You yeller.
Kabachi.
Kabachi. I don't even know where the thing is.
By those white flowers.
Yeah,
Somewhere.
left of the
Like
white.
those white flowers?
No, straight out that
I
way.
show you.
No, he's showing me where the ball is. Okay, so what you do is you throw one white ball out there. It's like a golf ball that we have, and then you've got these, and you see who can get the closest to it. So let me show you how it's done. Hey.
All right, let me show you how it's done here.
This is not much better.
Ooh.
Oh!
That's got to be close to so far. Oh,
It's actually
I
close.
don't know where the white ball is for sure, but it's one of those Cherokees.
Yeah, one.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's not it.
That's everybody, huh?
Yep.
Dang, I should have brought my tape measure.
We
We
have tape
yeah.
measured them before.
We played this up on the mountain one time and had Burke up
Colton
there.
wins.
Oh, yeah. Yep, there you go.
Oh, dang.
And actually, you're pretty second.
Oh, you're right there.
So last night we flew the drone down this river to where it meets the Green River to see how far it was and try to estimate the hike. We're thinking a couple miles, maybe 2 or 3 miles with the weaving back and forth. So that's what we're doing this morning. Gonna hike down here, see if we can find that. And I don't know, it's pretty, there's definitely no trail, but pretty cool little hike so far. Well guys, we finally made it to the Green River. We ran into some rafters and they were kind enough to show us their camp and their rigs. It's pretty sick, makes me want to get on the rafts and go down, but you can see there's a ton of water ripping down that. It's sick. Look at that. For us people out west, that's like a damn lake. Linda's having a good time. Well, we made it back to the trucks and we're just gonna go ahead and drive on out. So that's, you guys have already seen the trail on the way in, and so that's gonna be it for this video. Catch you next time. Peace out.